Okay, welcome back to session two of Haiku install. This session is going to be running the update wizard to update to the latest software. Hopefully, it should work. Sometimes it works really quick, and sometimes it doesn't. We could also use the package manager function to run the update from the command line, but we want to do it from the GUI just so we can see exactly how that process works. And then, depending on the time, we may actually just, first of all, you notice I actually have two different install. This is the working one, and this is the backup. Okay, we're going to start the working one. See how this starts out here. And that's a good sign it did, in fact, start as expected. Okay. Let's come up here now. Applications, media converter. That's actually how you install individual pieces of software from the GUI interface. Come way over here. Bring this way down here. Okay. And we're looking for software updater. The last time it got to the point where it was, I think until it got to the point where it was, interesting, okay. Reached to a certain point, trying to upload the install or like the base system, and it seemed to sit there and it wasn't taking any more data down. So let's see what happens today. Update now. It's 5:47 p.m. here. Let's see how long this takes to get downloaded. Of course, it's got its own package management system. Now, I will mention it comes pre-installed with a version of Python and a small quick editor called what? P. You can see that's a very small editor there. Extensions. That could be used along with the command console to the command console to do Python programming. That certainly is one place to start. We could also, of course, install Vim if we wanted to, or even Ed, just to be hardcore about it. There's also another one whose name slips my mind. See, it does use the Bash shell, which is probably which is why it's called a Unix-like. It probably doesn't use any original Unix code. It just uses the Bash shell. It means you have access to all your favorite Unix utilities. Okay. So you can see you have oh, this is good. Oh, this isn't good. Yeah, this isn't good at all. The trouble appears to be that once again my keyboard isn't working. By the way, to close it, I have to come up here. Reboot. See what happens. And it rebooted. Very nice. Let's try this again. Yeah, you see what the trouble is? We're not doing anything as far as the keyboard. So what we're going to do is see, it's already not working correctly. Okay, so let's pull the laptop back over here again. All right. Okay. All right. And let's see what we got here. First of all, let's come back over here. We're going to shut down. Our power off. We're going to get rid of this. All right. Then we're going to clone this. We're going to call this update. So as we go along, we want to gradually update it. So what this will do, this means I can go back and I can, if I have to, I can delete the working version and restore this one here, and still have all the updates in place. Okay. This is going to take a minute to copy this. Hopefully you can hear me okay. Let's just come back up here and see what happens. You see my hands there. I don't know if it's actually working or not. Let's come back over here again. There we go. Let's see something. Let's check mail. See if I got a thank you note from the rascal. Let's see over here. Interesting. Okay. What are you doing over here? Okay. Okay. Well, there's our clone. Let's come back over here now. Start this up. Not quite sure why the camera doesn't appear to be working now.
Ah, good. All right. So we come back over here now, and just for the fun of it, we'll come over here. See how this works. Let's do this. So let's go ahead now and set up our Python development environment. this. And try this. CPIO is interesting enough. Is a well, it's a development environment. It's a this is the official didn't get much in the way of settings, did we? Unless it's hidden underneath here someplace. Oh. Okay, so I'll quit this then. Quit. All right. Let's see if it's VIM.
Não, é que eu só queria saber se você já conseguiu ver. Eu acabei sentindo sua falta, saudade.
Here's Vim. Let's install Vim.
Na real é que
Interesting.
queria que você soubesse que eu te adoro. Preciso de você aqui.
Okay, let's try pip 3 then. Close that. Add add-ons. Open terminal. So it also installs a new version of a new version of I wonder if there's any databases. Oh, so it's already installed. Good. So that's important. Let's see. pip3 install s space. And if this works properly, we should have our basic development environment, Python development environment setup. But let's check the repo for one more thing. See if we can find some type of Git GUI interface. So you see, it's downloading 2.1. So this is good news. It really is the latest version of pretty much the latest version of Pandas. So let's try this one more time. Let's install. Let's just install Pandas. Of course, maybe you need to install NumPy first. That's also possible. Oh, you know what's interesting is it's using target files. Huh. Is that the way Depot works also?
Could be a bit of a problem here.
So it tries to install it. Lots of code here. See, it's there. We can do an update. Okay. So we can't install Pandas. Let's try Pandas one more time. We can't install Pandas. We can't install.
Yeah,
Doesn't make any sense that the package is there, but it can't install. Well, so not a complete failure because we did get the update to run. We got pip to install, which resulted in an update to the to Pandas. Okay, it did an upgrade to Pandas. Let's just try one thing here. What did we do? We said Okay. So as usual, things don't always go exactly as planned, but nonetheless, we got pip install, which in turn installed an update to the latest version of Python. We could not get Pandas or NumPy or Matplotlib to install for some reason or other. So to go out and maybe look on the Discord channel or somewhere on Haku's website to find out why this isn't working. For that now, let's go bring this little session here to a close. And hey, thanks so much if you're watching this on YouTube, by the way. Be sure to click on that subscribe button for me. Click on the bell icon, be notified whenever I go live. And also be sure to click the like button for me. Also, our goal is 2,000 subscribers on YouTube by midnight September the 30th, and we're getting there. Okay, we're getting there. Again, thanks for you folks on Odyssey. Of course, comments, suggestions for content is always welcome. Share the channel, follow the channel, like the video also, okay? Thank you so much for your time, folks. We'll see you in the next day or so.